How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another episode on my channel. And today I have a very special item for you guys. This beautiful 1997 Ford F-250. It's been my dream truck forever, and I finally got one. And I decided, why not bring the series to the channel? So let's check this thing out. So first off, we have the normal Ford interior. We have the bench seat. I want to replace the bench seat with buckets at some point, and eventually get rid of those carpets. Now, as sure you can look below, you can see the rockers. Rough shape, those babies, rough shape. They're gonna get a good replacement next weekend by my good buddy Zach. You can go subscribe to him right here. And let me start it up for you. Let's pop the hood. She's a little wet, she just got a bath, so you guys are gonna love this thing. What a nice truck, isn't it? Pretty cheap too. Alright, here's the passenger side. You can also see those rockers need some work. Let's do a little zoom in on those things. Moving on to the back. Also got a toolbox. Nice husky box. That's the classic Ford tailgate. Gray, red, and black. Can't beat it. 4x4. Dual gas tanks. One of them has a hole, that's going to need a patch. And what else does this thing need? New tires, new rims, I think. It would definitely add to the look of it. Chrome grille, chrome headlight brackets. The headlights we just replaced on Saturday should be all set. The originals were still in there. 23 years later, still working. Almost melted, but still working. And also a chrome bumper. What else? Doors close nice and smoothly. And it's a nice long body built just for about anyone, especially someone like me who sometimes hauls around in big things, and I enjoy driving it. So I can't wait to continue this project and this series with you guys on the channel. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.